In this video I'll explain how to accurately read an analog voltmeter. As you can see, this voltmeter has 3 different scales, for voltages up to 3, 15 and 30 volts. Currently the 30 volt terminal is used. There are 10 divisions between 0 and 10 volts, therefore one division corresponds to 1 volt. The pointer is exactly 2 divisions below 20, thus the voltage equals 18 volts. However, you can state this more precisely. To explain, I'll lower the voltage a bit. Now the pointer is clearly between the 17 and 18 mark. You can estimate the voltage to be about 17.5 volts. Therefore, the accuracy of this voltage meter when using the 30 volt terminal is 0.5 volts. Now you give it a try. What is the voltage now? This clearly is 21 volts. However, you should state this as 21.0 volts. Let's try another one. State the voltage as accurately as possible. The answer is 16.5 volts. Now I'll lower the voltage to about 12 volts and switch to the 15 volts terminal. Now I should use the middle reading of the display that runs from 0 to 15 volts. You can see that there are 10 divisions between 0 and 5 volts. Thus each division equals 0.5 volts. Because the pointer is 5 divisions above 10, the voltage is now 12.5 volts. The accuracy is now higher than it was when we used the 30 volts terminal. To explain, I'll raise the voltage a bit. The pointer is between 12.5 and 13.0 volts. I can estimate quite precisely that the voltage is 12.7 or 12.8 volts. Thus the accuracy of the voltage meter when using the 15 volts terminal is 0.1 volts. Now you give it a try. What is the voltage now? Start counting from the 5 volts division. The pointer is at least 1, 2, 3 divisions higher, which corresponds to 6.5 volts. But the pointer is below 7.0 volts. So I estimate again, the voltage is 6.7 volts. Once again I'll lower the voltage and this time I'll switch to the 3 volts terminal. I now should use the bottom scale of the display. Each division now equals 0.1 volts. The current voltage is 1.8 volts. Actually, I am able to state this more precisely as 1.80 volts. Now you give it a try. I'll change the voltage. What's the voltage now? The answer is 0.90 volts. So 0.90 volts. Let's try another one. I'll change the voltage. What's the voltage now? The answer is 2.30 volts. So the accuracy of the voltage meter when using the 3 volt terminal is 0.01 volts. To summarize, each setting of the voltage meter has a different accuracy. Read the voltage meter as accurately as possible and give your answer using the correct number of digits for the current setting of the voltage meter. The same holds when using other analog meters such as an ammeter.